Hi, dudes and dudettes. Today, we're gonna move away from our masculinity, so toxic. We're gonna move on to totally bro-ish foods. So today, I'm gonna teach you how to make a gnarly summertime guac.
Did you really think you can make an ultimate manliest episode without me?
But bro, I'm making a new video for the...
I'm Jay, and today we're making the ultimate manliest burrito. Did you really think that we're gonna stop at peanut butter and jelly sandwich? Today I'm showing you how to make the ultimate manliest burrito. So get in close. We're gonna start off with our tortilla. It's a burrito, of course you're gonna need. We got some beans, the way God intended them to be, refried. Right here, we got a nice cheese blend. This is 4 cheeses, count them, 4. Moving over, we got some avocados. We're going to make a nice guac. We got our rice, because what burrito isn't complete without rice? And don't forget, ladies and gentlemen, we have the meat. You can make this with some beef flank, but we're going all the way because we're a man. We got our Angus top sirloin, so let's get into it. We're gonna start off making our manly marinade. So go ahead and find your largest Tupperware. We're gonna go ahead and start mixing all of these ingredients. The soy sauce, we got it black like my heart. You're going to be using the olive oil because you're a refined man. We have our onion, garlic, and cilantro, all finely chopped with your manly knife skills. Leave no survivors. Get 1 chopped lime and squeeze the life out of it. Don't forget to cover your Tupperware and give it a nice shake. Let all of your manly rage out on this thing. After you have mixed up your marinade, you're gonna use your manly powers to make your meat reappear. Open your Tupperware. Make sure none of those juices come out. Grab your raw meat and just drown it in the sauce. Make sure that it gets all over. Leave no survivors. Then close it up, give it a quick shake, and then let it sit. So because you're a man, your rice is already cooked. But did you think that we were just gonna use regular white rice? Nah, get out of here. We are making cilantro lime rice like a man. So grab your cilantro, mix that in there. Grab your lime, squeeze the life out of it.
Look at him as he uses his manly power, coming from his biceps, his manly biceps. Excuse me, Mr. Manly Man, you're gonna need to mix it faster. Look at him as he mixes faster, ever faster. Quite the manly experience.
Now for your guac. Tomatoes, nicely chopped using your manly knife skills. Onions, before you squeeze your lime, you're going to use your hands to completely mash your guac. Alright, man and woman, there's only one piece missing. We have guac, beans, cheese, rice. So that means we're only missing the meat. So let's go ahead and start searing it. Let's cook. Look at that, men and women. Seared steak cooked to a nice medium well. We're going to top our tortilla with some refried beans. Spread that around. Cilantro, lime, rice, big spoonfuls. But don't forget that real men at 3 bam. The protein, the steak. The guac. Never skip out on guac. Yes, Chipotle, I know it's extra.
Looks like cooking has no endorsement with Chipotle.
We got our 4 cheese blend. And now, men and women, we are ready to roll up this burrito. This burrito gave me a little bit of trouble rolling it up, but we got it. But did you really think that we were gonna stop there? Oh no, we're gonna bring this to the stove and sear it closed. There you have it, men and women. The ultimate manliest burrito. Let's dig right into it. This is the perfect snack when you're in between workouts, when you finish your first 3 hours and you're ready to move on to your second 3 hours. After you have finished your ultimate manliest burrito, smash that like button, punch the subscribe button, roundhouse kick that notification bell so that you can be a part of our elite notification squad. Leave a comment down below letting us know if you tried this. We'll see you next time. 997, 998, 999.
Ah! Yeah! Who's the pro now, man? Who's the pro now?